Yo, yeah, I think this is a better setting. That way you can see like um essentially everything. It's just background. So this is what you don't see or what you didn't see. But I think I'm gonna start recording like this. Just feels a bit better, and plus my phone needs to charge, and I wanted to get this video out while I just listen away to some positive or just some videos while I backtest and go over today's trades and while I journal. But yeah, man, essentially today, I think today was an L ultimately. It was an L. I should have just, and I told myself this, and I don't know why I did it. Excuse me, I'm tired. The longest day. I don't know. I didn't stick to the rule where I was like, okay, now I just got the funded account, and I'm just gonna wait till next week. I didn't want to rush into things, but there I was. I'm like, okay, I can trade now, and it's like, bro, back to square one. Like, what the fuck, bro, am I doing? And it's tough, man. Like, I'm really beating myself up for it. Like, I'm beating myself up, like, for real. It's like, damn, I shouldn't have taken those trades today. It shows again that I was impulsive, and I wasn't like robotic or robotic about my approach to trading, which I should be, because like I said, I know how to trade, I know what to look out for, but that doesn't mean just because I know how to do it doesn't mean I should always do it, because the setup is not there. I should wait for price to give me confirmations on what I should do, but alas, I didn't, bro, and I'm like beating myself up for real, bro. Like, I'm beating myself up for real, and it's like, man, I almost lost the whole account in a day. I lost some money, but it's like, bro, why couldn't I just like stick to my strategy, bro, and just stick to the plan, bro? But I'm still like, I think I'm still ways from losing the account, according to what I understand, because they just say drawdown, but I guess if I lose 5k of the account, then I'm out. Then I've blown the account, and I essentially I can't, you know, trade with that account anymore. But I'm not gonna give up though. Like, I'm so locked in now, I can't go back. And I feel like this week, like learning and just learning, it was good, because it showed me what I need to look out for and stuff, and when I should trade and how I should approach trading. But today, I was just so like, I was in front of other people, and it's like, bro, I shouldn't even be like, I should be in my calm space. I should be at home. Like, when I'm at home, it's just me, it's my thoughts. I've journaled, I've did my daily affirmations, and I'm on the charts now. And there's just too much chaos going on. It's just like noise when you're on the 5 minute. There's just too much noise. Like when it's ranging or whatever, like you just need that clarity when you're trading. And I realized that the hard way, like, okay, I can't be around people when I'm trading, bro. Like, no matter how good my strategy is, I just need to be alone. I need to have peace of mind. I need time to think, analyze, and wait. Because had I had that chance to just be alone, because we were playing a game together this morning, while we were trading, while I was looking at the charts, we were playing Crazy 8. So obviously when I got knocked out, which was a lot, but I won a final at least. I was analyzing, and people still talking, and it's just chaos, and it's like, bro, I can't be trading in that chaos, bro. I just need to be locked in alone. And so when they say it's really a lonely game, it's for real, bro. And it's like, yeah, man, it's like, shit, I shouldn't have done that. Like, I shouldn't have done that, bro. I was so impulsive. And it's like, bro, I shouldn't be doing that, bro. I honestly shouldn't. So it was just a tough mental day, though. Like, I tried forgetting about it, just working on other stuff, and just focusing on work and stuff like that. But it's like, bro, why did I? Luckily, I could have overtraded again and traded New York session just to try to make back that money. But I'm like, Nah, I think I'm good. I think I'll just take this one out and really wait for Monday because I learned my lesson hard in the morning. And yeah, bro, it's just like shit. I shouldn't be doing that. I honestly shouldn't. But it's okay though. Like I still got a chance. There's Monday. I probably won't trade if there's not any decent setup, just based off how price is. But I know like it'll probably set us up for the whole week, just based on how it moves and stuff. And now I'm gonna check how it is right now. Like I'm looking at gold. Gold started shooting up, but um yeah. And then there was a clear indication actually for yesterday that it wanted to be bullish above that level. Now that I look at it, because it just kept making levels of support and respecting them, and it indicated. I mean, well, yeah. I mean, it did like indicate below that it was bearish, but then now it's like okay, it just started making new highs and not wanting to go down, you know. But it's okay though. We just I'll just back test, and I'll come back next week. I just need to have a calm state of mind. Even my brother said like, bro, next time just don't be trading. You need to like he's like, when's your day off? I'm like, I don't know. He's like, yeah, you're gonna need that day off because you're gonna need that time to just be at home and have like mental clarity and trade properly. Cause yeah, I didn't realize trading a book was that hard, bro. I won't lie. Because it's like you gotta sit down, you gotta analyze, and I can't go to the bathroom because there's fucked up network in there, and I can't go sit at the back because people are gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, oh shit, they're looking at me, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. Like I could analyze, like here in the morning, like wake up like around. That means I have to wake up earlier, get ready for work, and then like by like 6:30, 7:45, I am done. Then I sit down at the charts, I look, mark up my levels, and then just see what I'm looking for and see where I want price to be for it to confirm that okay, this is what we are. We bullish or we bearish for the day, and then yeah, mark up my charts and then see, then let it play out because it's from that's like from 7, then as price is playing out during Asian session, uh it'll be doing its thing while I go to work, and then when I'm at work, just be doing my thing, you know, team huddles, doing whatever work I need to do, and then come 8:30 or quarter to check the charts 8:45 or 10 to 9, see where price is. I'm like, okay, damn, this is where we at right now. And then let the market open, let it do its thing. If it's gonna indicate incorrect, same time we'll do so. But I'm just gonna be more strategic with my approach because, and I'll have to like be away from people at that time. I'll probably have to like go to the bathroom or something. I don't know, man. I'll just have to figure it out. I'll probably just go to the. When I say I'm going to the bathroom, I'll just have to go upstairs, get in that little corner, and just sit and then be like, okay, this is what we're doing right now. And then yeah. And once the London session opens, which is around 9, which is around the time to be open for work, trading hours, you know, you guessed it. And then just operate like that. Then let price do its things, just let price do its thing, check it here and there, check it here and there. And then, but the thing is, like today, I would have been in profits at least had I caught that candle because I saw price making lower highs, moved up, then that candle closure, I would have ended at that candle closure because price just moved to the bottom or to the downside or just shot down to the downside. Then I would have still been in profits somewhat. Then I probably would have closed. I probably would have made like maybe a 500 or 800. I would have made something, but that's the thing. I missed the move. So, and then price got to a level of support and then respected it. Then range before it started shooting up before before New York session. So yeah, man, kind of a rough day, but rough start. Let me just say. But yeah, we'll get back on the horse, man. Like there's no other way to conquer this, bro. Like honestly, there's really no other way. I'm just like, I'm glad I'm here right now. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep on pushing no matter what. And then yeah, man, that's it. I don't really be breaking down. Should I? Okay, I will, but I'll break it down on the laptop. I don't want to do it over the phone because it's just too much work, editing, all that. So yeah, man. Future me, yo, it's a rough start, man, but we're gonna get there. I'm not lost. I haven't lost hope. I've just like, it was just a mentally taxing day, just losing. It's like, damn. I mean, I know it's not real money, but it's like my 500 that I paid to get the account. So it's like, bro. But then it's like I still have more chances. Like instead of the 500, I got 5,000 to trade with. So I basically traded 500 for 5,000. So I just really gotta lock in, bro. Gotta lock in. But it's the weekend. It's a good thing. I should have just not traded today, but it's fine. The account is 2k down, but it's okay. About 2k or 1.8k down. I still got like 3.2 left to trade with, so that's fine. It's fine. We'll recover that, and then yeah, bro. We'll make, as long as I still have a chance to still have a what you call this, a way to trade. I guess that makes sense. Or I've got a chance to trade. Like remember, trading survival. You just gotta keep consistently putting your capital until you can just keep trading. No matter the losses will be way minimal compared to, or way more insignificant compared to the wins, because the wins will be way more significant. So yeah, don't give up, man. Don't give up. This morning I was watching a video, the strangest secret, and it's like whatever you feed your mind, people become what they believe. So I believe that I keep telling myself, I'm successful. Like I'm on the path. Like I'm basically successful because a successful person is someone who is. Success is a progressive realization of a predetermined goal. So I am actively working towards my goal, which is becoming a full-time trader. I'm making more than 20k a month. I have the cars, I have the home, I have the businesses, I have the financial freedom. I'm not working 9 to 5. I am my own boss. So that's what comes with trading. So I am success. I'm progressively. Success is a progressive realization. So I'm successfully realizing my goal, my predetermined goals, which was those goals I just listed now. So as long as I keep showing up, I will get it, man. I will nail this thing. I will nail this mentality, bro. Like I will control my emotions, control my impulsiveness, and yeah, man. Yeah, we'll see. So yeah, let's break down today's trade, bro. Like I said, I'm doing it with the phone. Sorry, it's kind of janky. Okay, this is gold. We're not doing gold. Yeah, doing the German 40 index. Yes, sir. Let me increase the brightness of this baby. So I didn't analyze the 1 hour time frame, and you see this shit just started mooning. I should have taken into account these level of supports because price did respect these level of support. So come landing session, I was just looking in the 15 minute, 5 minute actually. So what got me into today's buys, I should have just looked in the 4 hour or the 1 hour actually. Like I marked it up. I did post this on Instagram, but I'm just gonna post it here. I'm just gonna also analyze it here again. So this point, I saw this, then move down, move up those buys here. Then like, okay, price was making higher highs the whole time, but then why did it stop here? So I said, shit, so I would have caught it on this candle, because once this candle closed, I'm like, okay, then this is the lower high. Then we would have pushed down more. Then I would have made money. I would have closed like somewhere here. So, but then look where I entered. I entered at the bottom, bro. I even set an alert here, which I'm just going to remove now because that is invalid now. Why won't it remove itself? So, yeah. So, it came back below that level, but it didn't close. I should have waited for it to close. But I didn't. I got hasty, bro. See? That's the thing. If I waited for it to close, then it would have done the things, but it didn't close. It just started shooting up because there's level of buys here. Then it started playing up. See that? So I was basically someone's liquidity. And then it started shooting up, And then, yeah, had I seen this, I'm like, okay, we're not ready to move down. And then I would have seen that, okay, now we're really trying to push above. So once it came above this level, because those sellers sitting here, then I probably would have entered buys. I could have caught this, actually, if I just let price tell me what it wanted to do. But I was too hasty and I didn't wait. So I could have caught this on the reverse. So because once it closed above this level, I could have been like, you know what? I'm going to take a position here. I'm going to set my stops here. I would have seen no drawdown whatsoever. And then targeted, let's see, I could have targeted that level. I could have targeted this. And then that would have given me a 1 and 9 trade, bruh. That would have given me a beautiful trade, bro. But I didn't wait for price to to tell me what it wanted to do, because the first initial loss that I had was around about this time, yeah. So I said, okay, I thought this was high, lower high, and right now we're selling. So I sold, set my stops above here, bro. It just shot up and took me out, moved down a bit, and then it just started shooting up again. So I'm like, fuck. Then I marked this level. I'm like, okay, I didn't see any entries. I should have just waited. Then I'm like, okay, price moved down to this level, and then once it closed, I would have been like, okay, we're clearly not going down. Then it was just ranging. Then it started ranging. Then it started picking up momentum. Then once it closed above this level, I was like, oh, okay, now we in. Then this actually would have been a 1 to 11 trade. No drawdown, none whatsoever. I could have actually targeted this, if I'm being honest. It would have been a 1 to 14 trade, because price is still moving up. It's still making levels of supports here. But yeah, man, I should have just waited to see. This is what happens when you have time on your hands. You could just analyze properly and just see the charts for it, see what price wants to do. Because I would have initially missed that move. I would have waited. Okay, it's making lower highs. Then I wanted to see if it was going to come back down below this level, which it didn't. It rejected, had level of buyers here. I was like, nope, we're not trying to go down. But the sellers are like, no, we're not trying to go up. And then it broke above this level. Then I could have taken a trade here, because this was the initial move up. And then if you see in the 15 minute is just giving us, it's still a higher low still, and then it started pushing up. So yeah, I see. This is what happens. This is what benefits you when you have time. See, this is why being a full-time trader really needed to lock in. But it's okay though. We'll come back stronger. I'm not sad or anything. But yeah, thanks for watching.